Hi there, I'm Jessica.
I'm Kara.
And welcome to our channel. We're going to try this. We may only
wish us
do
luck.
Yes. We may only do a few videos. So today we'll just record a lot and I'll show you whatever I think is interesting.
Yay.
All right, let's get started with school.
Okay. So first of all, this is quite a bit, and you know my limits. 1 Spanish a day.
Yeah, that was just an idea. You can look on Cozy where I posted all the stuff, which is basically that, and you can divide it up however you want.
I'm going to divide it up 1 Spanish a day and however many Bible histories a day.
And 1 math a day.
Yeah, I'll distribute it up because, I like it when it's a lot on the first day so it's easier later, but this is a lot.
Well, remember, it's 5 days worth of work that you're going to do in 4 days.
It's written out in 4 days.
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably not going to get my my extra day off because this is quite a bit, but I can do it.
Okay.
I have the worst handwriting.
Is that something that you care to improve?
Nope, I can read it. It's good enough, and I can write well if I try really hard.
Well, there you go.
Oh, we're showing the video? We have a video?
Yes. So for our new astronomy book, which we're about halfway through the course, we're going to do a new book called Our Created Moon, which you can tell is going to be from the creationism viewpoint. And then we have a video to watch today based on the same thing. It's going to kind of introduce Kara's Helping Me with Light because we don't know what we're doing. So this is your new book, and we're going to start with the video. So we have a lot of astronomy this week because we are completely done with writing curriculum for the year, and you're completely done with Middle Ages history for the year. We're going to really bump up and do bunches and bunches of astronomy. Okay. I think you can do the second half of the year of astronomy, that's a high school curriculum, in the next month. Okay. So we're going to try it. I
think I can too. Astronomy is not hard at all.
Yeah. So this is a little different since it's a different book.
And the moon is more interesting, hopefully.
Hopefully.
If all goes well.
There's a lot more questions based on what you're reading. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh, then it'll take longer than
maybe
5 minutes.
We'll see how this week goes.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
So as far as chores go, I took mopping out for the week because I want you to do dishes every day, all day. And then I want you to use the blower on the back porch for the cat's fur. And I want you to go ahead and do the area outside of the porch that has all those leaves, which is where you put their water, and clean that bowl out and all that. So
do we have church on Wednesday?
Yes.
Okay. So I might take off 1 or 2 Bible histories.
Next week, December 5th, is our last Wednesday night church for the Christmas break.
Okay. We are going to have a Christmas party, right?
I think so. I think that's the 5th.
Okay, yeah. I want to go to that since last one's was really fun.
Okay.
Alright.
So what do you do first?
Let's get started with math. I already did this.
Oh, you did? Can you hold up the book and tell them what it's called and who wrote it?
This is the devotion that I do every day. Yeah, thank you. Mm-hmm. As you can see, it's called Fearless Faith, and it's written by
Melanie Schenkel.
Okay. Yeah,
I read her books, read her blog, listen to her podcasts. She's hilarious and sweet and smart.
Yeah. I do one every day that I can remember. And I already did that today, so.
All right. So math is geometry.
Oh, yeah. Let's get started with geometry.
Mm-hmm. We're using
don't need it to bring
BJU's geometry. Just got started.
Yeah, super easy, no problem. One of them was identifying shapes. I'm an artist. I already know how to do that, so
we have to start somewhere in geometry.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn to page 25.
Oops. I'm so used to doing Algebra 2, where I just open to, like, the very back. Let's see. 22, you said?
25.
25. Okay. How did I get 22?
I don't know. All right, again, there's not a lot of examples for me to show you, like there was in algebra.
Okay.
I'm going to need you to read this.
Aloud?
Yep, whatever you want. You can do aloud or in your head, whatever you want.
It helps me focus if I do it aloud.
Okay.
Because in my head I'll be going and then I'll start and I'll think, oh hey, this picture of rocks looks funny. But yeah. Theorems are statements that can be proved by a logical progression of definitions, postulates, and previously proven theorems. Okay. The incidence theorems are theorems derived from the incidence postulates. Alright. Two distinct lines intersect. They intersect in one and only one point.
Right, we know that to be true.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to have you do, we can wait till the end if you want, or you can do it as you read, however you want to do it. I want you to write the theorems down on the notes that you took last time for the postulates.
Okay, I'll do it at the end.
Okay.
Feels weird to talk since I'm sick, so I'll just do it in my head from now on.
Okay. Okay, we can do the mind over math, or we can skip over to starting the exercises. What do you want to do?
I want to do the mind over math.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's see. Each domino has two numbers on it, and a double six set of dominoes. The numbers range from blank, or 0, to 6. No two dominoes are alike. How many dominoes are in a double six set? Okay, what does this mean?
That means the set of dominoes goes up to 6 on one side of the domino, 6 on the other side of the domino. There aren't any
Okay.
7s.
Okay. So that would mean like there are 36, right? No. 49. Because 0 is part of it. If you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on one side and on the other. So that's basically how many combinations are there.
I see what you're saying. So what they're going to do is the amount of dominoes that are blank or have 0 on it are 0, 1. Oh wait, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and so on to 0, 6. So that's 7 dominoes. Okay, so the thing is, once we get to 1, we've already counted 1, 0. So we don't count 0, 0 anymore, and we've already counted this. So we count 1, 1, 1, 2, and so on to 1, 6. And there are 6 of those. So how many is that?
7 plus 6 is 13.
Well,
Plus 5 is 18.
What you could do, remember, is we pick out the 10s. That's how we do it the fastest.
Okay.
So tell me 1 10.
6 and 4.
Okay. Tell me another one.
5, 3, and 2.
Okay. And what numbers are left?
7 and 4. And 1.
7. Nope, 4 is already taken.
Oh, 7 and 1.
All right, so 10 plus 10 plus 7 plus 1 is?
28.
Good, that's it. All right, she's done. Let's see the paper that you finished. Your notes that you're going to use today. Postulates, new theorems. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's turn to page 28 and start our exercises.
All right. Okay.
How many planes pass through line CD and point E?
Oh no.
Good. And
Theorem 1.2.
Perfect.
14. If two lines intersect, then they intersect in one and only one point. Logic in general. Theorem 1.1. 1.1.
So give me an example from the diagram.
AD and ED intersect at D. I almost said intersect.
Right, and they intersect only at
Only
D.
at D.
Good.
Because it's a straight line. They won't like curve and go back into each other. What plane intersects all the other planes shown? None. You can't connect that many things in so many different parts of space with one plane. There's one section of space in which it is confined, but there is no one plane.
Let's take a look.
So this is a trick question. Next.
No, let's take a look.
Okay.
Plane of B D-E-G.
Big.
Do you see how that intersects? Because it goes through all of them.
Okay. But that's, oh.
Are you cool with that?
I am cool with that. I just got
Yes.
that. Okay.
So based on that, can you find another one? Find another one.
Excuse me. H, F, and C in the right order. So, C, H,
Okay.
F.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm good with today. I think that was good. I think we're right at about an hour.
All right.
Do you
what
feel
time
good
is
about
it?
today's lesson?
It's 12:06. Yeah, that's in about an hour.
Okay. So you feel good about that? You feel like you learned something? You feel like your notes are good for next time? Maybe you should write out the postulates. We kind of
I'll
need
write
those.
the flat plane postulate is the one that I have problems with, so I'll
Okay.
write that out on the side. I know the rest.
All right. So let's stop for today.
All right.